Welcome, Wild Tribe Nature Explorers. I'm Kaylee from Arena Wild Tribe, here with an activity to get outdoors and feeling good about ourselves. Today I challenge you. Can you sculpt? Let's do this thing. Clay nature sculpture. Here are a couple I made earlier. Clay goblin heads. How to? Clay ball. Attach it to the top of a stick for the goblin head. Play-Doh or similar will also do just fine. Sculpt it. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth. What will your goblin look like? Technique: hatch and slip. Should you wish to attach further pieces of clay onto your goblin clay ball head, hatch and slip is a technique for you. Hatch. With a clay tool, scratch squirrely squirrel claw marks on both pieces of clay where they will touch when joined. Hatch. Slip. Slip means glue, and with clay, water is our glue. Rub a small amount of slip of water onto both hatch marks. Join together and press firmly for approximately 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding! Smooth to hide the join marks so that it looks like one solid piece of clay. There we go, a rather large snoot, snozzle nose on my clay goblin head. Embellish. Add hair, a beard and other features using natural materials from the environment. Power up. Choose a power that your goblin will have and draw this power as a symbol or write it as a word onto your stick. My goblin will have Stench Supreme as its power, the most awesome smelling power you can imagine. Wow! Naturific! Take your time and add detail to your sculpture. Showcase some true sculpting skill. Give today's challenge a go and I'll see you again soon. Remember, look after yourself, look after each other and look after the environment. Farewell, nature explorers.